How to add trending sounds to your TikTok videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add trending sounds to your TikTok videos step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are in the camera section, just tap on the add sound button which can be seen in the top of the screen. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you will find TikTok Massive Music Library. So here, to find trending audio, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for trending. So here you simply have to look for the trending section and check the sound that are currently trending right now. And here, once you have found the sound, you simply have to tap on the check mark. And here, once you have selected that sound, now you can record and upload your video with the trending audio in the background. And after recording, you can trim the sound, adjust the volume, and even mix it with your original voice. And then you simply have to tap on next and add your caption and hashtag and post it. And that's it. That's how you can add trending sounds to your TikTok videos in just a few taps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.